I believe this seat is taken.
Veronica.
Correct me if I'm wrong, but this seat is reserved for the CEO's wife. Hindi para sa isang ambisyosang assistant lang.
Veronica, ano problema mo?
That's what you are, right? What's your name?
Her name is Andrea, okay? You don't have to talk to her that way.
I can talk to her in whatever way I want. So, Andrea, i-enjoy mo na to. Kasi sa likod ng magandang damit na yan, at ng makeup mo na malamang asawa ko ang nagbayad, you are nothing. You can wear all these nice dresses, at pwede kang magpa-makeup ng kasing kapal ng mukha mo. But at the end of the day, you are a nobody.
Veronica, stop it.
No, Jaime, I won't stop. Not until alam na ng babaeng ito kung saan siya dapat lumugar. Excuse me. You are a caterpillar who dreams of becoming a butterfly. An ugly duckling who dreams of becoming a beautiful swan. Tigilan mo na ang pangarap mo. Dahil hindi mangyayari. Dahil isa ka lang uod. And that's all you'll ever be.
Andrea.
You better sit down, Jaime. The show is about to start.